What's up, guys? Cheapies, aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we're doing episode 6 of the Non-Sneakerhead picks out some sneakers on StockX, and this time we have my girlfriend here if you want to say hi.
Hi.
Her name is Shelby. I probably should have mentioned that in here. And she is going to be the latest victim, I guess, of the non-sneakerheads to be picking out some sneakers on StockX. I just use StockX because it's easiest to use. We're not buying any of these. She's just picking out a bunch of sneakers, and then we'll limit it to 5. And then I told her I will let her look at some purses if you guys want to check those out. But that's after all the sneakers. So, you excited?
Oh, you know it.
You ready to look at stuff? So she actually knows enough about sneakers, like not enough, but more than probably everyone else that has been on here so far, because she lives with me, so she sees the sneakers I have, and I talk to her about sneakers, and she does try to win me sneakers on sneakers, which she does more than I ever do. So she's got a better win percentage with Nike. But let's just get started right into it. So where do you want to get started first?
Go with Yeezy.
Yeezy.
Yeah.
Okay, you have the Desert Sages, so we don't have to go to those ones.
I do. Is that what they're called?
The Desert Sages? Yeah, the green ones that you have?
I don't think I knew the name of them.
I thought I told you that before. Okay.
I like those ones. I like the 380, the mist ones.
The Mist.
Yeah, I think that you should get a pair of those.
I didn't like them. They were okay.
I think they were the wrong size when you got them.
I think so too. I think I bought an 11 or something. But yeah, so your size, what, 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last sale on those was $260 for the 380 Mist. They're not bad. Like, I don't mind them. I don't know about the collars though, or like the ankle area would be the only thing that would like concern me, you know.
I liked them. I thought they looked good.
380 Mist. What next?
The pink ones that I want, the Yeezys.
350s.
Yeah. No, the clays, I think. I like them more pink.
Okay. I think they're really sort of orangish, but
Are they?
I feel like I don't remember seeing they. I don't think they're too pink, like too orange. They might be a little more pink than orange.
I think we saw them at that one, the tiny sneaker store we went to.
Okay.
I think they had them.
Well, they might be it. You want to go with these ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, those ones.
544. Most expensive one yet. What's next?
I don't know. Can you go to Nike?
Do you have a specific model in mind, or you just want to look
These
for
are
a bit?
shoes for me.
Yeah.
What were the ones that I liked? The
Kill shots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I want a pair of those.
They're what you like. This is for you. You already know sneakers more than everyone else here, or everyone else have done it, so they didn't know what they were looking for. But you know at least what you're looking for. Which one?
Yeah, try that one.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, that's better.
That one? Okay. Well, they don't have a last sale on your size, so we're just going to go with the last sale overall. It was $276 for the Team Red.
It's not bad.
No, I mean, they're not that expensive. What's the retail on them? 100? That's kind of expensive for...
No, yeah, I guess that is kind of bad then.
Yeah. I mean,
I like them
for
though. They just
sneakers,
look
it's not
easy.
terrible. Yeah. There's the Blazer lows, too. That look kind of comfortable.
Would I like those?
The Blazer lows, I don't know. I've never had them. I've only ever had
Okay.
Blazer mid or high, whatever they are.
Can you look at the lows for me? Do
Yeah.
they make these for women?
Probably. Well, usually they go down far enough in guy sizes. Or
Ooh, can you look at those top pastel ones?
these ones.
Yeah, I like those ones.
You want me to write those ones down?
Yeah, I'd wear those. Is the back blue?
Like a green. I can't really see it. It's like a mint green kind of thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like those. Those are different. They kind of
Yeah.
look like bowling shoes, though.
Yeah. I feel like you like that
Yeah.
style of shoe, though.
Yeah, I buy like the same shoe, but from
Yeah.
different brands.
Yeah, basically. Hey, you got some, what are they called? Vejas?
Yeah, those are my. You got me those?
Yeah. You're welcome.
Yeah,
All right.
I like them. They're comfy.
Where to now? There's also designer sneakers, but I don't know designer sneakers a ton, but we can go look.
Yeah, I think we should look. I think you should do Gucci.
Gucci.
Yes.
Okay.
There's the ones that I showed you
Sneakers.
at, I think Saks that I really liked. They were rainbow.
Okay. We'll try to find
Like
some
they were
rainbow
kind
ones.
of beige with a little bit of rainbow on it.
Was the stripe like rainbow, like these ones?
Yeah, it was that shape.
Okay.
Because they had the, I think you hated them, the platform rainbows that looked like Baby Spice
Oh, probably.
from Spice Girls.
Yeah, I'd probably hate this. Well, let's see if we can find your rainbow ones. I don't know if there's these rainbow ones.
They were different than that one. They were like beige with a little bit of rainbow. But I do like those rainbow ones too. They're kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, they're kind of ugly.
Yeah, but I follow some girl on Instagram that has them, and she made some work.
Okay, well, it looks like we're out of the ace. So, do you want to write these ones down?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, what was last sale was $500. So the Nike or the Gucci Ace Rainbows, $500. Not even your most expensive yet. I mean, if you want to, you'd have to wear like pretty bland everything else, so everyone just knows this is your Gucci's.
I mean, I don't think they're gonna miss them.
No. I like how last sale is cheaper than retail. All right, what next? Any other designers you want to look at?
What were the ones that all the girls had in France that I liked?
The Alexander McQueen ones?
Yeah, look those ones up.
Okay. The oversized one? You like those ones?
Yeah. I know they're just plain, but I like them. I just don't know if they'd be worth it.
Yeah, they just look like Adidas Stan Smiths, but have like a little platform to them.
Yeah, the back looks just like my Vey has. The bottom's just bigger. I think the pink one.
The pink
at
one?
the top.
This one?
Yeah.
Nice. It's a women's one too. The multicolored. What size are you? 36?
Yeah, 36.
Nice. 417. You're getting cheaper with your designers. So far, the Yeezys are the most expensive. There you go.
Yeah. I don't know. I like these. I think I'd wear them.
I mean, you probably would wear them. They look like they'd probably be pretty comfy.
Yeah, probably. I wonder if they make me taller.
Maybe this much taller. But not much. You're 5'2", just so everyone knows. And I'm 6'2", so maybe you should get these.
Okay. You can get them for me.
Haha, nope.
Isn't that what this channel is?
Nope. I'm cheapy, so I don't spend my money. Maybe I'll do a giveaway eventually once I hit 500 subscribers.
A giveaway to me?
Yeah. Well, if you win it, then sure. All right. Where do you want to go from here?
What were those blazers? The ones that looked like, were they like Ready Player One or something?
Oh, I know what you're talking
about. The pixely ones?
They were...
I liked those ones. I wanted you to get those ones.
Yeah, and I couldn't ever find them. What were they called? They were like made for League of Legends, but they never like. I think they were only released in China. There's these ones, the Off-White ones. If you like those.
Ones are nice. Wait, can you click on those ones?
Yep.
I like those ones.
You like these ones? You want to write those ones down?
Yeah, I like those ones a lot.
You got a new top at, let's see, what size? 4. Last sale was $1,079 Off-White. So what are you up to now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 7 right now. We can keep going. We can start cutting.
I think that's good.
Good. You want?
That's probably enough.
You want to review them and then start making some cuts? Do you want to look at anything else?
I'm just trying to think of shoes that I like. So I watch you watch so many shoe videos. I hear them.
Yeah, I mean, there's Converse. More Nikes, Jordans.
Wait, go to Converse, the Comme des Garçons ones. Those are the ones that I like. They're the ones that I keep thinking about getting because they're not too ridiculous. No, you can get them
pretty cheap. Which ones do you like?
Just the low with the one heart. Yeah.
Low with the one heart. There you go. Last sale is only $146.
Yeah, like they're not ridiculous.
No, they restock all the time too. I feel like I've seen them places.
I don't know. They're just like enough that I wouldn't want to get them for myself.
Yeah, and they're only $120 retail.
Yeah,
so
back when I worked at Journeys, I used to get a discount and I could fit the kid size. So I get Converse for like $20.
So now you're up to 8. You want to review the 8 you picked out?
Yeah, I think that's
and then we'll go from there. Here we go. We'll start with your first pick, the Yeezy Boost 380 Mist for $260.
Yeah. I like them. I like them better for you. I think they're too dark for what I wear.
Okay, so not these ones.
No, but I think you should get them.
Maybe. We'll see if I get another pair of these one day. I would treat myself to something that I would want more than these ones. All right, next shoe, the Killshot Volk Sail Team Red for $276.
I like them. I want to keep those ones because I know I'd wear those like every day.
All right, those are a keeper. Next ones, Gucci Ace Rainbow for $500.
They're so dumb. I like them a lot though.
Do you want to keep them?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Next, you have the 350 Clays.
Yeah, definitely keep those ones. Those are if they weren't $400, I would do it.
Yeah.
Kind of shoe.
$500 for $544 was the last sale on these.
Well, since they're only $500.
There you go. All right, next up we have the Alexander McQueen oversized multicolor, which they just look like a pink suede. So
maybe I think I'd get rid of that one over the Gucci ones. They look like shoes I already have.
Okay. Next one we have the Blazer Off-White Serenas.
Yeah, you can keep those ones. I like those.
Keep these ones. All right, you have 3 now. These are also going for $1,079. Then we have the Chuck Taylor CDG white play, whatever they are, for $146.
Yeah, keep those ones. Keep those ones over the McQueens.
Okay, the McQueens are gone. And then the last one you picked out was the Nike Blazer Low Pastel for $107.
Do they have those in stores?
I don't know. I've never really paid much attention to them. They would be in the women's side. I usually stop looking at that point.
I wonder if we could find those. I like those.
So you want these ones over the Gucci's?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. You can change your mind right now.
No, those aren't the Gucci's that I wanted.
Okay. All right. So here are your 5. Kill shots for $276. You have the Yeezy 350 Clays for $544. Okay. Then you have the Nike Off-White Serena Blazers for $1,079, your most expensive one. And then you have these Converse Comme des Garçons Play White Low for $146. And then you have the Nike Blazer Low Pastel for $107 for a total of $2,152.
Dang, usually I'd pick more expensive stuff.
Yeah, well, if you got rid of the Serenas, you're really not that high. You're like almost under $1,000 at that point.
Yeah, you picked the fancy shoes. I picked shoes that I know I'd like.
Yeah, but I have shoes that I like and fancy shoes, so.
Yeah, that's true.
So, not bad. Not bad at all. $200 or $2,000. I think that's one of the lower end ones, at least lower than David, who spent like $25,000. So, you didn't match him.
Yeah, David has no idea what he's doing now.
Yeah. Yeah, he just picked the...
I think if it wasn't sneakers, I would spend a lot more.
Well, there we go. We can get you one purse. What purse would you like to go find? We can add that to your total.
Can I add
So for all the sneakerheads out here, those were the 5 she picked. And if you want to see what purse she picks, then you can stay and keep watching. You want 2 now?
I think I should pick 2 purses.
Okay. Which purse would you like first? Because I feel like you already have one.
Yeah, I want it's the Off-White Jitney, I think. Jintey.
This one?
Yeah, that one, but not that color. It's a white, but the top of it looks like a bungee cord, kind of.
They might not sell it on StockX.
It's like that black one there. The black with the orange.
This one?
Yeah, it's kind of like that, but it's white with like red, white, and blue bungee cord top. It's the Prada 2001 re-edition.
They might not have this one on StockX either.
Oh, no, they have to. It's
this one? 2005?
Yeah, that one. Oh, okay, 2005.
The one that Tara Michelle has?
Yeah, the one that like every influencer has.
All right, let's write your purses down. Not that I'm... All right, next purse. All right, you get one more. Which one would you like? Or is this it?
I don't know. Do you think they'd have any Dior on?
They have Dior sneakers on here, but yes, they will have Dior handbags on here.
Yeah, it's a Dior lady.
Which one?
Literally any of them.
Like this one?
Yep. Yeah, that one works.
All right, well, there you go. You just beat your sneaker total with one bag.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Well, there was no last sale, but I'm just going to put it at like... Do you know what they retail for?
Some anywhere between like 4 to 7.
All right, we'll put down $5,000. So with your purses, you are at $6,431 in purses, and you're at $2,152 in sneakers.
I have good taste.
Yeah, well, you know what you're doing in purses. You don't know what you're doing in sneakers to get it up there. All right, well, for anyone who stuck around and saw the purses pickups, or at least the ones she would want, there's the two that she picked out for $6,431. Her sneakers were $2,152. So you did all right. At least in the purses, you did great. You probably could have gone higher if you really wanted to, but
I could.
yeah. So thank you again for coming on and recording. I know that you didn't have to move very far since you're in the same house as I am, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Yes. All right. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what sneakers you guys would pick out on StockX, especially if you're not a sneakerhead. For anyone who hasn't been on here before. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.